In this video, you will learn step by step how you can disconnect your Wix website from your Mailchimp account. The first thing we need to do once we have logged in to our Mailchimp account is head over to the left hand sidebar here, go down to the bottom to integrations and then click on the drop down menu. Now you want to click on manage under the integrations section, which will then bring you over to this page, which will now show you all of the integrations that you have on Mailchimp. Now, as you can see, I have got my Wix website connected here. If I click on this, that will then bring me over to this page. And then you want to go to the top right hand corner, click on Manage App drop down menu. And here is where you will now be able to click on Disconnect Site. Now, once we click on this, it will then show this right here. You now need to type delete as you see it in this box. So all in capitals, you need to type delete just like this. And then once you do that, it will now allow you to click on disconnect now. Once we click on disconnect, as you can see, it will take a couple of seconds. And then once it has been removed from your account, you will now see this message. So you disconnected your account. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can disconnect your Wix website from Mailchimp.